Not too long ago, Squarespace brought out something in their menu system called Brand. And what this essentially does is it doesn't create like a logo or anything for you, but what it does is it gives you a starting point where you can develop sort of a blurb about your brand as a whole. And I think this is really, really good for starters who, let's say Squarespace used to have it was a slogan like a website makes it real. I think it was something like that. And basically that still stands true. You get your business, then you build it on Squarespace, you use the templates. Now they're giving you an AI generated brand blurb to get you started. So business, website, blurb, brand. It's the perfect intro into getting your business online. And Squarespace has like a ton of other things. They've got email campaigns, they've got analytics, blogs, commerce, everything that you can need to grow. And so this is just a great in to getting that ball rolling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you over to the screen and I'm going to show you how to create the brand identity on Squarespace. Now, it's not clickbaity, but it's not going to be this crazy AI generated brand brief. It's literally just going to be a couple of things. But I think for people just getting started out, this is going to be really useful. So once you've got your website set up on Squarespace, if you want to build a brand for it, I say brand because, if you want the best, then you're better off going to an actual branding expert. But this will get you started. So if you go into settings down here, you'll see this tab over on the left, which is brand. And then we've only got one option within that menu, which is brand identity. It's going to bring up this video that you can have a little look at. The AI tool, it's okay. It's basically I think it's just ChatGPT ripoff. But anyway, click OK. And then you want to give a description of what your company does. So we'll just check out what this template is. This is makeup for humans. Let's see if there's any more context. Here we go. So we'll grab that. Settings, brand identity. And we'll say, there we go. This is makeup for humans. Maybe we give some more context. It is affordable for all people and accessible to everyone around the world. There we go. And then we can give it a little personality. So we'll say, let's make it playful. And then you can see it's going to generate it here. So the blurb is going to be generated, which is get ready to slay with Kusa's online makeup courses, the ultimate glam squad for humans everywhere. Okay, cool. It's a good starting point. And then the email campaign, which Squarespace is going to try and push you onto because email campaigns are an extra subscription. So they're going to give you some email campaign to send out. But then anyway, we save this and that just sits in our brand now. So if we go back into brand identity, we have our blurb and we have our email campaign. And basically what this does is it just lets you have a starting point. So it's not going to make you a logo. It's not going to make you like brand assets. It's just going to give you an idea about what you can do with your brand. So let's say you're just starting up. You've got yourself a template. You've now got yourself a blurb and an email campaign, which also acts as the elevator pitch for your business. You can build on top of that. You can always change it in here. And if you want to go one step further, I've got another video on this, but you can go into text blocks and then you can click up here and you can generate your own text to go on the site. So let's say we didn't have any of this. We could go underneath and we could say, we'd click this and we'd say, what was it called? Kusa is a makeup course, write something salesy for it. 2 sentences to sell the course. And then we'll generate that. And then you can see how Squarespace, it's not going to set the world alight, but it is going to get you started. So there we go. Nice and easy. As I say, it's not going to replace branding experts or copywriters anytime soon, but it's a really good starting point if you're just getting started and you want to just get those wheels in motion. So hopefully that explains, if you've seen branding in the menu on your Squarespace website, hopefully that's sort of shone a light on it. If you found this useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.